Hence the graph y equal to sin 1 by 3x for 0 less than or equal to x less than 6 pi. Okay, we have to draw the graph of sine function. So you know sine function, it will come like sin pi by 2 is 1, sin 180 is 0. So sine, for example, here it is not sin x function, it is for sin 1 by 3x. Sin x means sin pi by 2 you will get 1, and sin pi you will get 180, and after that sin 180 you will get negative values, so that will represent in the second part, right? So how you can identify the diagram? See, when x is equal to 3 pi, what will happen here? It is sin 3 pi by 3 cancel, you will get sin pi. So when x can take value 3 pi, your function attains 0, the function value is 0. Like that, when x is equal to 2 pi, your function attains 0. So when 3 pi the function attains 0 means the next part will be negative, the next part will be negative. So it will come down the fourth quadrant. So till 3 pi it is in the first quadrant. So after 3 pi it will come to the fourth quadrant. So sir, how we can say suddenly it is in the fourth quadrant? So 3 pi is nothing but 540. So after 540 your sign will take negative value for 1 by 3x, for 1 by 3x. So that you have to understand clearly. So this is your graph of y equal to sin 1 by 3x. And your fourth question, find the value of sin inverse of sin 2 pi by 3. Sin inverse of sin 2 pi by 3. That is sin inverse of sin 2 pi by 3. It becomes pi minus pi by 3. So sin pi by 3, sin inverse of sin 180 minus theta. So it is 2 pi by 3. First of all, pi minus pi by 3. Right? So sir, how I can identify it is pi minus pi by 3 or 5 plus pi by 3? Whatever the number, use with pi. You first apply minus, second apply plus. You can identify whether it is subtraction or addition. So 5 minus pi by 3 is in the second quadrant. So you will get sin pi by 3. This is from your formula. So sin inverse of sin pi by 3, sin inverse sin cancel, it is pi by 3. Like that, sin inverse of sin 5 pi by 4, it is pi plus pi by 4. So it becomes third quadrant, right? Pi plus pi by 4 is in the third quadrant. Third quadrant, your sin value is negative. So sin of minus pi by 4. So again, sin inverse sin cancel, your answer is minus pi by 4. Like that, find the domain of the following function. F of x equal to sin inverse of x square plus 1 by 2x. So the domain of sin inverse x is minus 1 to 1. The function also should lies between minus 1 to plus 1. So whatever the inside value, it should be in minus 1 to plus 1. So as usual, inequality, we are multiplying by 2x. So the first part you will get minus 2x less than or equal to x square plus 1. That is x square plus 1 plus 2x is greater than or equal to 0. That is x plus 1 the whole square is greater than or equal to 0. X is greater than or equal to minus 1. Like that, the second part, x square plus 1 is less than or equal to 2x. X is less than or equal to 1. Therefore x belongs to closed interval minus 1 comma 1 comma x is not equal to 0. So we cannot include 0 here. If x can take value 0 means the function does not exist. That is, your x is belongs to minus 1 comma 1. That is set minus 1 comma 1. Now the second one, f of x equal to 2 sin inverse x and 2x minus 1 minus pi by 4. Find the domain. To find the domain, consider the arguments. That is 2x minus 1. It's between minus 1 to plus 1. So 0 less than or equal to 2x less than or equal to 1. Divide by 2. It is 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Therefore the domain is 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1. So the next one is find the value of sin inverse of sin 5 pi by 9 cos pi by 9 plus cos pi by 9 sin pi by 9. So sin of a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So that is sin pi by 9 cos pi by 9 plus cos pi by 9 sin pi by 9. It is equal to sin of 5 pi by 9 plus pi by 9. So that is become 6 pi by 9. It is sin 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 already we completed. It is pi minus pi by 3. So it is sin pi by 3. So the formula is nothing but sin a plus b. You may be sometimes minus also, or in terms of cos a minus b or cos a plus b. So you have to analyze whether it is sine function or cos function. The next we have cos inverse function. So here it is only sine formula. And the last one, for what value of x does sin x is equal to sin inverse x? So y equal to sin x and y equal to sin inverse x, both curves or intersect only at the origin. So what is the meaning? Your sin x and cos x are intersecting at 0, 0. So when sin 0, the answer is 0. Like that, your sin inverse 0 is also 0, right? Sin inverse equal to 0, sin inverse of 0 equal to 0, and sin of 0 equal to 0. So only x is equal to 0, your sin x equal to sin inverse x. So thank you students. For continuation, you follow the channel.